Okay then, so we're given the equation of the curve C, and we've got to find out where it crosses the y-axis first in part A, and then for the second part where it crosses the x-axis. Well, for any curve crossing the y-axis, x has got to be equal to 0. So for the first part then, very easy, I'll just say when x equals 0, we're going to have that y equals, well, this first bracket is going to be 0 there, 0 there, 2 multiplied by e to the minus 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1, so it's just going to be 2. Okay, so crosses there at the point where y is 2. Now for the next part, we need to find out these points here where the curve crosses the x-axis, and this is going to be when y equals 0. So if we just say when y equals 0, then clearly we've got this equaling 0, so therefore 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 all multiplied by e to the minus x has got to equal 0. We've got two factors here being multiplied together. You've got this one, the 2x squared minus 5x plus 2, and you've got the e to the minus x. Now if you've got two factors multiplied together equals 0, one or both has got to equal 0. Well, e to the minus x cannot equal 0 because, do you remember the graph of e to the minus x? Just draw a little sketch here for you. Okay, negative exponential graph. It would look something like this, never crossing the x-axis. So that's the graph of, say, y equals e to the minus x. So this can't equal 0, so therefore it's this quadratic factor here that must equal 0. So I'd put just therefore 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 must equal 0, and this should factorize. There's no indication in the question that it's going to ask for so many decimal places or exact values as such, so I'm going to assume it's going to factorize. So if we look at it carefully, 2x and x, and then it's got to be a minus 1 and a minus 2. That gives us minus 4x minus x, which is the minus 5x. And in the usual way, 2x minus 1 would equal 0, or the other factor x minus 2 would equal 0, leading to x equals a half or x equals 2. So where does it cross the x-axis? Well, it therefore crosses, okay, the x-axis, I'll just write that in, at half 0 and at 2, 0. Alright, and just looking at this sketch, we might as well mark it in, looks fairly sensible given the sketch. Okay, so there we go.